In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VMware on Windows 10. Open your web browser and navigate to the official VMware website. Find and download link for VMware Workstation Player. Click on the Download for Free button. And then choose the appropriate version of VMware Workstation Player for your Windows operating system. And click Download Now. Wait for the download to complete. The time will depend on your internet connection. Once the download is finished, locate and download the install file and double-click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer. Click Next to proceed through the installation wizard. Optionally, select additional options according to your preferences. Wait for it to complete. This may take some time depending on your computer's performance. And once it is finished, click on Finish to exit the installer. Find the VMware Workstation Player icon on your desktop and double-click on it to launch the application. Once VMware Workstation Player is launched, you can explore its main interface. To create a new virtual machine, click on Create a new virtual machine and follow the prompts. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.